It's a lady in London here. Today I want to take you around on my self-guided walking tour of Kensington. This part of London is absolutely beautiful and there's lots to see and do here. The full route and map are on my blog, aladyinlondon.com, but for now let's go around and see what we find. This walk starts at High Street Kensington station. It's served by several lines of the London Underground and it's easy to get to from other parts of London. You can also walk, cycle, or take a bus to get here. After leaving the station, you'll head down the High Street. Crossing over to the north side, you'll find yourself on Kensington Church Walk. From here, you'll start to see some of the hidden spaces that make this neighborhood one of the most beloved places in London. Soon you'll turn onto Holland Street and then you'll find yourself at Gordon Place. This skinny lane is beautiful and there's great wisteria here in the springtime. After going back to Holland Street, you'll turn onto Kynance Mews. This long street is beautiful and has lots of great details. At the end of the Mews, you'll come to Phillimore Walk. If it's a Sunday, you'll see the farmer's market. This is a great place to stop and get a snack if you want to. At this point, you have the option of taking a detour into Holland Park. This is one of London's most beautiful green spaces, and if it's spring, the tulip gardens are amazing. Whatever you decide, you'll continue your walk on the High Street until you get to Adam and Eve Mews. This long mews is another great place to take in the details that Kensington is known for. When you exit the Mews, you'll be on Allen Street. It will take you down to some more of the lovely mews in the area. Make sure to keep your eye out for details as you go. Next, you'll find yourself on Stratford Road, where there are shops, cafes, and restaurants galore. There are pretty pastel houses here too. Lexham Gardens comes next. It's a great place to take in the white columns this area has in abundance. From there, you'll wind your way through side streets up to Cornwall Gardens, another beautiful place in the neighborhood. After walking through a narrow passageway, you'll find yourself on some streets that lead to Kynance Mews, one of the prettiest streets in London. From Kynance Mews, you'll walk up Lonston Place, where you'll see some restaurants and cafes. Then you'll wind around and see some of the prettiest houses in the neighborhood. You'll explore Palace Gate and Gloucester Road, then duck down Queensgate Mews. Next, the walk will take you down a series of mews in and around Kensington. They're beautiful places to discover, so make sure to keep your eyes out for pretty details. At the end, you'll come to Atherstone Mews, which has some of the prettiest colourful houses in the neighbourhood. Back on the High Street, your walk ends at the Gloucester Road tube station. You can stick around and explore the neighbourhood around here too, though. There's a lot to see and do. I hope you've enjoyed this Kensington walk and that it's made you want to get out and explore this neighbourhood yourself someday. It's a truly beautiful place. As always, there's more on my blog, aladyinlondon.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you go. Happy walking!